Well guys, it's a pretty exciting day up at the island today. Finally I got to head into town, pick up the washing machine here for the island. And I'm going to take a little bit of time out, take a bit of a road trip, see some of the awesome fall scenery up here. And on my way back, I'm going to stop off for some Northern Ontario fudge. So stay tuned. Well, here I am at the hardware store. Looks a little bit busy here. It's just shortly after lunch, so I guess that makes sense. So I'm going to go in and pick up this washing machine. Hope it's not too heavy. I should be able to manage it with just the dolly onto the boat and the dock and up the ramp and all that stuff, I suppose. Then I got to run across the street, pick up a few grocery items, head back. Beautiful day. A lot of nice fall colors. And a warm out, about 18 degrees, 18 Celsius. That's about, I don't know, somewhere in the 60 degrees Fahrenheit range. It's good to see after all the crummy weather we had this summer.
I'm gonna run in though real quick. And
Yep, I'll meet you around the front. Well, I got the washing machine all loaded up in the back of the truck. Got out, I did a little bit of sightseeing, as you saw. What a great day. Colors out here are just magnificent. It's beautiful weather today. Now I'm going to run into our local trading post, pick up some fudge because it's the best I've ever had. Hello, how are you? Good. Lots of fudge today. A lot of delicious flavors.
Yep.
There's a pumpkin pie. I've not seen that one before. What's the best seller today?
Well, today I realized we are selling a lot of bear paws later.
A lot of bear paws. Mm. $4.99 a piece.
Because
Okay.
the chocolate and the maple, they taste like those turtles.
Okay, I'll take 2 of those.
Would you like a maple and a chocolate?
Okay, that sounds good. Wow, that's amazing. What's this stuff down here with the red stuff in it?
Right here. This one right
Oh, right up there.
Cranberries and cream.
Cranberries and cream. Okay. Can I take about a quarter pound of that one too?
Of course.
that's it for the washing machine. It wasn't too bad. It's not that heavy. It's just a small washing machine. It's a little bit of grunt work, but wasn't too bad at all. So glad I got it in here. Now, I'm not going to install it this year yet because it's already November. I did rough it in the closet, so I've got a spot in there that I can put it. I'll probably unwrap the box and just move it into the closet. I'm not going to bother hooking it up because then I just have to winterize it. So it'll just sit here until next year. And then I'll be ready to do laundry up here at the island. I think it'll be a great addition for the island. I really do. Now I got to get outside and use the rest of the daylight to do some other things. Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. It really helps me out a lot. We'll see you in the next video up here, Canadian Island Life. There it is, little 21-inch apartment size washing machine. Oops. Oh, comes with the hoses, that's nice. Right in that corner. It should just slide right back in there. I got my taps. They're about that high. About waist high. Oh.